Testing, testing. Hi, welcome to my channel. As you can see, we are upgraded. High quality mic, lights, backdrop, and a mic. So, why am I uploading again? I haven't been uploading that much on YouTube, especially during quarantine. Well, I haven't really been uploading even before quarantine, but it's a special day today because I received a PR package from Asteria Hair Dyes and Essentials, and we will be unboxing it today. And why am I holding a mic? Well, I don't really have like something to hang it on, so I'm just gonna hold it. So we have this Asteria PR package and let's open it. How? Screw this. We're back. Okay, so there might be some background noise because there's the electric fan and there's the aircon. It's hot, okay? But again, today we will be doing some unboxing from my favorite hair dye brand, Asteria. Yay! This is so nice. I actually received this like 2 days ago, I think. Anyways, so I've been using like Asteria once, but I bought like 2 tubs, and that's the green agate or agate, the green one. And it was super pigmented. It was so vibrant, and it faded for like what? It lasted like what, for 2 weeks, and I've been using nothing but conditioner on. So yeah, and also they are cruelty free, so that's good. I'm just not sure if they're vegan. I forgot. I'm sorry. But anyways, enough talking. Let's unbox this beautiful baby. So we were just gonna be peeling off the sticker because it's a nice sticker, and I'm planning to stick this behind my cell phone. Oh shit! Ah, and there you go. I'll fix that later. Now they're living harmoniously. Asteria Week and Shop Freaky Friday. Yay! On my cell phone. So let's open the box, and I wonder what's inside. Okay, that's the inside. Oh my god, black confetti. Just like what I've always wanted. Oh wow, I got like different colors. Wow. Nice. So this is like their signature packaging paper. So nice. Alright. And then you have the black confetti. Ooh. It has a sticker. It has its color the hair with some magic, and then social media handles, which I'll be posting on the description box. And we also have this. Ooh, it's addressed to me. I never thought this day would come. Really. So, Miss Rima, magical day to you. Here's a little something from Asteria. Thank you. Blessed be. That is so nice. Why won't it focus? Focus. Anyways, whatever. It's mine. Oh, wow. The black confetti is like flying all over. Calm your... Okay, hi. Sorry. So the video was cut short because I ran out of memory space, but now that I have deleted a lot from my camera, let's proceed to seeing the contents of these. And again, I wanted to show you guys the old packaging of Asteria hair dye products, because this is such an upgrade from their old packaging. Although I have no problems with the old packaging, but this is certainly an upgrade. No one has ever done this before, I think. Yeah, I think. So this is the old packaging of the Asteria hair dye products, and as you can see, I got the green agate. And now we have like new packagings that comes in black or white. So first hair dye is Enchantress, which is plum shade, I think, and I cannot wait to try this out. Also, if you guys want to see me try it out, or if you guys want to see it on my hair, of course, please like my Facebook page and follow me on my Instagram, especially on my Instagram, because I'm quite active there, sorta. Like whatever I post on Instagram is also posted on my Facebook page. So yeah. So again, this is the Enchantress. It's so nice. It's like this paint tube or something. It's so good. And it already smells nice from the packaging. Anyways, so the next ones, I'm not sure what type of collection this is, but it's called the Pixie collection, and it comes in a white tube packaging. So this one is the Pink Mantra, which I assume is a light pink color. I think I'll be needing a level 9 or 8 bleach for that, but we will try. We will try. And then this next one is the Wicked Green, which is a light green. Very nice. And these are like the pixies, okay, together with the other shade. It comes in the regular black tube packaging. It is so nice, and they all smell so good. It's like a fruity, yeah, it's a fruity scent. So nice, and I cannot wait to try this out. I might film a video of me covering my hair. I might, maybe. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And of course, I'm glad that we get to film this finally. And of course, I'm glad that I get to upload another video on YouTube, because that doesn't happen quite a lot anymore because of my laziness and my awkwardness, confidence. Yeah, but I'm glad that I get to share this experience with you guys, because I really love this hair dye. It's cruelty free. You can find it at Shopee. It's very affordable, unlike that other brand that rhymes with Frantic. Yeah, so again, Asteria, I will put all their social media handles and their Shopee store account on the description box and also here on the screen. And just so you guys know, again, they're very affordable. You don't need to shop abroad. You don't need to shop to any of the imported products, because we already have a local brand that supplies with the high quality hair dye for only an affordable price. So go buy at Asteria hair dye and essential on Shopee. And if you guys like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you guys want more of me. Follow me on my Instagram and like my Facebook page, and I'll see you guys next time.